Hi guys, it's Rachel with WTI, and right here I have a beautiful, awesome tie-dye pair of Crocs for men. So these are a size 9. I like that these are black, but they have a tie-dye color to them, so it makes them pretty cool. They do have the back strap as well, as Crocs are always non-marking, super comfortable. They have the indents on the inside, so it's gonna massage your feet and keep them cozy as you're walking. I love that they're breathable. They have all the holes in the bottom. These are pretty cool. They go with everything. They also have so many holes too if you want to put your favorite little Croc charms inside. As you can see, my son has so many. And I love the fact that you can do this for Crocs because it personalizes them and then it makes them all unique and different to whoever owns them. I awesomely love how cool these are, and they come in so many different sizes. They always also have the men and women sizing, so they're not just for men, they're unisex, so you can wear them either or with everything. They're absolutely amazing. I am a massive Crocs fan, and I love the fact that my entire family has a pair, but that's just my point of view.